Hey y'all, my name is Adina Barnett Miller, but I'm known to my students as Mrs. B. I've been passionate about West Virginia history for as long as I can remember, but my mom would tell you it all started when I was 3 years old and she bought me a West Virginia counties puzzle at Gino's Pizza. I've taught history in Ripley, West Virginia for over 20 years now, and I'm an adjunct professor who teaches college West Virginia history to high school students. Please join me for West Virginia History with Mrs. B, a field trip across the Mountain State to walk in the footsteps of those who came before us. Hey y'all, it is West Virginia History with Mrs. B, and it is about time that we make a food video. And this is going to be a food history video because we're at Diehl's in Nitro, West Virginia, which is a Kanawha County staple, and it has been open since 1960. I love this place. This is one of my mom's favorite places. This is one of my grandparents' favorite places to eat. And the reason people love it is because everything is made from scratch, it's handmade, and it's the best. My mouth is drooling. I'm thinking about sage dressing. And so I cannot wait to go inside and eat some Diehl's. And Dave and I are going to take you to see one of our very favorite places to eat in the Kanawha Valley. All right, when you come to Diehl's, you have to know how to navigate this huge menu, which, as it points out, is family owned and operated since 1960. So I'm going to show you guys. So there's like the stuff that's always on the menu. So there's a page of salads. And so you can see there's the drinks at the bottom. And then the specialties, which are over here. And then of course you've got your spaghettis and your chicken and things. But this is the most important paper in your menu, and this changes all the time, and it tells you what they've got to eat. So you always make sure I go to the very top, and so you can see the baked steak is here with the vegetables and the bread and the butter. And then you can see they've got chicken livers. That's one of my mom's favorites if she doesn't get baked steak. They go old school. They've got cabbage rolls. They've got popcorn shrimp. Oh, the bread and pork chops. Those are so good. Then you've got like marinated chicken over rice, ham steak, tilapia, all kinds of goodies. But this is the key, and then this is the other key, is the veggies. And so sage dressing is the bee's knees. It is like so good. They're like, I don't know how to describe it, Dave. It's like a fried dressing thing. It's so good. It's so delicious. But they're old school. So homemade mashed potatoes, sage dressing, pinto beans, fried apples, cottage cheese, buttered corn, potato salad, green beans, fried potatoes. Oh, I love their fried potatoes here. Applesauce, coleslaw, sauerkraut, white beans, scalloped potatoes. And then look at these desserts. Cheesecake with cherries, graham cracker pie, which is what I'm going to have, coconut cream pie, chocolate cream pie, peanut butter pie, triple layer chocolate cake, triple layer carrot cake. Oh, this sounds so good. And banana split cake. And then I always get the homemade rolls because they're amazing. And then they also have cornbread. And then behind this are their sandwiches right here. But look at this. This talks about, here we go. I love this. Jack and Hazel Diehl had a dream of opening their own restaurant. They opened with 8 employees. So since 1960, this was 20 years of working with my parents, became the 3rd generation. Since 1960, we've peeled over 5.2 million pounds of potatoes, cooked over 495,000 pounds of pinto beans, made over 15 million rolls, 860,000 pounds of apples have been peeled. I've cooked over 3.3 million pounds of beef, 1.175 million pounds of coleslaw, 2.1 million pounds of lettuce has been cut, 3 million gallons of tea, 725,000 gallons of Thousand Island dressing, and made over 1 million gallons of ranch dressing, which is awesome here. So I wanted to point this out about the menu. It is the best. And if you look at right here on the placemat, it talks about all the Diet Dr. Pepper. Yeah, so here you go. It says we grind our own coffee, we brew our own tea, and we use real sugar. We make our own Thousand Island dressing. We make our own ranch dressing. All our pies are made from scratch and they're fresh daily. They have cornbread and rolls made daily. And they use the recipe for the sage dressing, which is my favorite. And then they have special hot bologna. Was that hot bologna sauce since 1960? Yeah. I'm reading upside down, y'all.
And then they use their own recipe for spaghetti with lean ground beef. So
there you go. Old school menu with little supporting community businesses. This place is the bomb. And they're collectors. So if you check out the walls, they're all covered with collectibles from the Kanawha Valley and from West Virginia. So we will show you our meals when they come out, but I wanted to give you a little tour of the menu because it's really important to know how to navigate this menu when you come for your first trip to Diehl's. So one of the things that you'll find at Diehl's is everything is covered from floor to ceiling with memorabilia. And so I just wanted to give you kind of an idea of what that memorabilia looks like. So literally floor to ceiling. So let me give you a pan so you can see the main dining room here at Diehl's. I love it because it just reminds me of like when I was a kid coming here, and I've been coming here since I was an adult. So, this place is a unique West Virginia treasure. So Dave ordered a side salad because he got spaghetti. And as you can see, it is like old school. It is shredded lettuce.
The shredded lettuce, the shredded carrots, cucumber, tomato, onion, radish, green pepper, French. And you even get the Captain Wafers, which Dave would crunched up and is going to put on his salad. Mm-hmm. So we wanted to show you his salad so you could see you're going very old school when you get a salad here. Y'all, the food just came, and so I thought I was gonna get baked steak, but then like the food came out on another table, so I totally changed. So I have grilled kielbasa, fried potatoes, homemade white beans, and then homemade cornbread, and of course a hot roll too. I am so excited to try this. And then Dave, he went adventurous, and you guys saw he got a salad, but look at that massive mound of spaghetti with meat sauce.
Yeah.
And the grilled Grecian bread. Dana was saying, I've never had the spaghetti here, and I thought to myself, you know what? I haven't either. She's going to try something new. I'm going to try something new too. So.
I know. I'm so excited. Listen, the food is always so good here. I can't wait to try this. Like white beans. Oh my gosh, look how good all that looks. But I am not going to eat on camera. I'm just not going to do that. So we're going to come back. We'll tell you how our food is. We're also planning on having dessert, so we'll show that to you as well. I am so excited to dig in. Hey y'all, so we finished our eating. It was awesome as always. I literally changed what I was going to eat because I saw someone get kielbasa at another table, so I ended up having kielbasa and the fried potatoes and the white beans, and she brought me cornbread and she brought me a homemade hot roll to have, and it was so good. The beans were perfect. I've got to have beans sometime soon, like a big pot of beans, because I love beans. And then the kielbasa, it reminded me of like being a kid and having kielbasa, and then the fried potatoes were perfect. So now I'm getting ready to dive into my favorite kind of cake, actually pie, excuse me. And this is graham cracker pie that they make fresh here daily. So Dave, how was your spaghetti?
The spaghetti was really good. I wanted to be adventurous and try something new. It had that meat sauce, as Adina said. It reminded her of the spaghetti that you get in the dining hall at Cedar Lakes. I've never had that. It's very similar to the spaghetti sauce my mom makes. That kind of,
Appalachian spaghetti.
Appalachian type to it, and it really, really good. And the Grecian bread, I highly recommend that. It really makes me miss Dutchess Bakery and the Grecian bread they used to make there in Charleston.
Really good, right?
So dessert, I got the banana split cake. Again, trying new things. I'm really intrigued by this, and from what the waitress just told me, this is like one of
the last 3 pieces, so I really can't wait to dig in.
I know, this was hiding in the back, and so was mine. So I am so excited to try this. I love graham cracker pie. So we'll come back and let you know what we thought after we eat. All right, so we just finished our dessert. Dave, how was it? Tell us about what you had.
I had the banana split cake. It was wonderful, and
So what all was in it?
it was a graham cracker crumb crust base, and then there was like this little thin layer of vanilla ice cream. Bananas, pineapples, whipped cream, chocolate sauce, more whipped cream, and walnuts. And if anybody sees me consuming any type of sugar between now and Labor Day, just smack the tar out of me, please.
Yeah, he.
That's a lot.
It was a lot. It was a lot. So I had the graham cracker pie, and it was just perfect. So it was traditional graham cracker pie. There was like whipped topping instead of like a meringue, but it was really good. So we love Diehl's. Diehl's is a Nitro and a Kanawha Valley institution, as we're standing here with the sign. They are open 6 days a week. They're closed on Mondays. They're open for lunch and for dinner. So if you're ever in the Nitro area, this is a place that you have got to visit because it's the best. So thanks for joining us, Dave and I, on this episode of West Virginia History with Mrs. B, and we'll bring you more history coming up, so make sure you like and subscribe, and so glad that you're here with us. Thanks so much. Bye, y'all. Thanks, y'all, for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to West Virginia History with Mrs. B on both Facebook and YouTube.